Hello, I'm Amber from Tectone Tech Support. We're going to go over installing the SF133 water-resistant emergency pull cord station. This replaces the SF123 peripheral. We'll also go over attaching the optional SF133GK gaskets. First, pull 2-conductor wire that will connect the SF133 to the station, controller, or zone dome. Next, install the backplate provided to the single gang ring or backbox. On the face of the SF133, snap on the call button of your choice. The pull cord can be attached to the bottom of the SF133. It can be cut to the desired length and crimped with the included brass pieces. Now we'll attach the wires. Strip a 1/2 inch off of the 2-conductor ends. Pull down on the orange tabs of the SF133 wire terminal until they snap open. Insert positive into the left side and negative into the right side. Snap the orange tabs closed. Snap the SF133 onto its backplate from top to bottom. Install the small provided screw at the bottom of the device for added security. For wet locations, you'll want to install the SF133GK gaskets. During the installation of the backplate, place the large gasket behind the backplate. Then, place the small square gasket around the opening of the backplate and continue on with the rest of the installation. That concludes the SF133 and gasket installations. Thank you for watching and have a great day.